What's going on, soapies? Welcome back. This is another episode of soap making. Today we will be making a orange cream soap. We made our own orange zest. So my sister peeled some oranges. Obviously, we dried them out and pulverized them in the NutriBullet. So it come out nice and powdery. We're going to use this as the exfoliant. For the cream color, we are using the Mango Tango. And for our fragrance, we have bergamot, very vanilla, and lemon creme. So this is a beautiful combination we enjoyed before in the past. It's a really subtle orange and it gives a nice, beautiful after note of vanillas, but it's a sweet vanilla. So let's just go down and let's get this batch going and we'll show you how we are making this. Okay, guys, so we got a nice top view of this. So we have our fragrance, we have our colorant, and we have our orange zest. Have our lye. We are working at under 85 degrees. We are at 79 on the oils and 77 on the lye. Okay, so we are going to bring this to a nice emulsion. I want to try to keep this fluid for when we pour the orange and the cream together. Hopefully we'll come up with a nice little swirl design on this. So I'm going to bring this to an emulsion. Let's pour the fragrance. So we have the fragrance in all of, oh wow, that vanilla smells so good. Smells so good. And I'm gonna throw the zest in all of this. I'll give this a blend with the, we like it zesty. Okay. Use my stick blender. All right. So we're going to stop right there. We got a nice emulsion. Okay. We're going to pour about half. Let's say. Okay. We are going to throw our one colorant right in here. Get a little scraper. Just want to get every little bit I want this to be a nice, rich orange color. We might throw a little titanium dioxide in here just to lighten it up.
Thunder.
All right, so we threw a little bit of titanium dioxide in there. Just get a little bit more creamier. Okay. We'll just shake that off a little bit, and that's okay if a little bit goes in there. Okay, so we're at a trace right here. I'm just going to pour this all into one side. Getting a nice pattern with the specks with the orange zest. There we go. Let's grab a mold, and now we're just gonna kind of just pour from one end and just work our way over. And just kind of work our way back. Just give this a little love tap. And just fill this up to the top. Doesn't want to cooperate today. When all fails, go back to old school. Right here. Okay. You have a nice little flat top.
I think it's going to give you a hard time.
Okay. There's our end result, and I am going to add a little orange zest on top. All right, today the paper is not cooperating with me, so there you go, guys. This is our finished product right there. We'll let this rest for about 24 hours, come back tomorrow, cut it, and I'll show you what we got. All right, guys? All right, guys, so it's the next day, and this is what we got. The outside is looking very nice. The top is looking very nice. Here's the side, so let's give this a cut and let's see what the inside looks like. Nice and hard. Okay, we'll grab a couple from the middle. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Right there. If you can see that nice up and close. The tops. Okay, let's get a bar from the side. So these little end cuts, we always save them for little samples. Let's get it. Looks like the color is still staying the same. I'm loving the beautiful specks that we're getting.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is bergamot, lemon creme. We did a two-tone color and we threw some orange zest in there. Just did a little top of little zest on a corner right there. But I'm really happy, nice, solid, smooth all the way through. So let's grab another one. It's staying consistent all the way through, so I'm really happy about that. All right, guys, so there it is. We did our orange zest soap. I do appreciate you watching the video. If you liked it, click like, click subscribe, and most importantly, please visit our website, www.dolce.vip. That's www.dolce.vip. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video.